Hey everybody, and welcome back to Mission Control for a feature-focused video. In this video we're going to talk about version 15.1 and the new Titan Go. With version 15.1 of Titan, the separate apps for Titan Mobile and Titan Go have been combined into one app of just Titan Go. The software will detect which hardware you have connected and launch the correct interface for the connected hardware. By default, it will launch the standard Titan Go interface for the T1, T2, and editor key, and the Titan Mobile interface when a Titan Mobile is connected. There are also new system settings that have been added. Interface selection. The virtual hardware toggle has been added to the system display setup user settings display. This defaults to auto. The virtual hardware controls will be automatically hidden when a Titan Mobile is connected. This is the keypad and other buttons that are usually along the right hand side when using Titan Go. When set to disable, the virtual hardware controls will be hidden. When set to enable, the virtual hardware controls will be shown. This provides the ability to use both physical and virtual controls when a control surface is connected, or similarly hide the virtual controls when using Titan Go if desired. A new system button has been added to the top left of the window, providing an easy way to access the system menu if the virtual hardware controls have been hidden and there's no physical control surface connected. We also have full screen Titan Go. To set Titan Go to full screen, this can be toggled via System, Display Setup, Full Screen Mode, via User Settings, Display, or by pressing F11. This defaults to disabled. Let's have a look at that. Here I've got version 15.1 of Titan with the Titan Mobile connected. As you can see here, it has the standard interface for a Titan Mobile. If we either click on our new system button over here or on the console itself, we press AVO and Disk, and then we find Display Setup. We can set it to be virtual hardware is auto, which is what it defaults to, or I can set it to disabled, and it'll always show the Titan Mobile interface, even if I'm using a T1, T2, or editor key, or I can set it to enabled and show the Titan Go interface with the buttons and all that it would be as part of that, and exit out of it. See if we go back in our system menu, either hitting the system button here or again up here, and then we can go back into display setup. I can set it to back to auto and have our Titan Mobile interface. We also have the full screen enabled disabled. By default it's disabled or set to enabled. You can see that it gets rid of the bars at the bottom and top and the window edging. It makes it completely full screen. That's the same if we take it to the Titan Go interface, getting rid of those extra space on windows. That has been the new Titan Go of version 15.1. I hope you learned something. Join us on Facebook at Avolites US. Join us here next time. Please subscribe. Thanks. Bye.
Wheel stop.
Roger, wheel stop, Discovery. Welcome back. A great ending to the new beginning.